Most AI tools give you just one thing, either images or videos, so you're stuck bouncing between 4 different apps, losing consistency and wasting time. Hailuo AI flips that. In this video, I'll show you how to use one platform to generate a 4K character image, turn it into a cinematic video, and then let an AI agent handle image, video, and audio from a single prompt. We'll go step by step through 3 things: image, video, and agent. And I'll also quickly show you how the Max plan makes this workflow affordable if you're a heavy creator. Hailuo AI is an all-in-one creative platform built by Minimax. It's not just another video generator. It's a full pipeline, image, video, and audio in one place. You get high-end image models like Nano Banana Pro, advanced video models like Hailuo 2.3 and Hailuo Video 02, plus Hailuo Agent, which can coordinate everything from a chat. Old way: one app for images, another for video, another for audio, then manual editing. New way: one platform, one workflow. Step 1. Go to hailuo.video. Open hailuo.video in your browser. On the homepage, you'll see 3 tabs at the top: Create Video, Create Image, and Hailuo Agent. Step 2. Sign in. Click Sign in the bottom left sidebar. New users get free credits automatically with no card needed, so you can follow along without paying. We'll start with image generation for character consistency, then move to video, then to Hailuo Agent. Step 1. Click Create Image. On the homepage, click the Create Image tab. Make sure you're using Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2 so you get ultra-detailed, consistent images. Step 2. Write your character prompt. In the text box, describe your character clearly. For example, a young woman with flowing dark hair in a red silk dress, standing on a rain-soaked rooftop at night, city lights glowing behind her, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, 4K. Mention clothing, lighting, setting, and mood. The more specific you are, the better your character. Step 3. Add reference images, optional but recommended. Click the plus icon near the prompt area and upload a couple of reference images. This helps Nano Banana lock in the face and overall style you want. Step 4. Check settings and generate. At the bottom, pick your resolution, 4K if you want maximum detail, and your aspect ratio, vertical for shorts, reels, horizontal for YouTube. Hit create and wait a few seconds. You now have a sharp, consistent character image. This is your base frame for video. To build a few different scenes with the same character, you can quickly repeat this with slight prompt changes like same woman, sitting in a neon-lit bar, moody lighting, 4K. Same woman, walking through a busy city street in light rain, cinematic, 4K. Nano Banana keeps the identity stable, so later your videos feel like one character moving through different locations. Step 1. Go to Create Video, Image to Video. Click Create Video at the top. In the Video workspace, choose the Image to Video tab. This mode is best for character consistency because we'll use the Nano Banana image as the start frame. Step 2. Upload your character as start frame. In the Upload area, click plus Start and upload the image you just generated. This locks the character's look for the clip. Step 3. Optional. Add an end frame for extra control. If you want the video to start and end on very specific poses, you can also set an end frame. Hailuo's start and end frames feature fills in the motion between those 2 anchor images, which is great for branded shots or precise storytelling. Step 4. Write your motion plus camera prompt. In the prompt box, focus on what moves and how the camera behaves. You don't need to re-describe her face. For example, she walks slowly toward the edge of the rooftop in the rain, hair moving in the wind. Camera follows from behind, then swings around to a close-up of her face with the city lights in the background. Cinematic and emotional. Step 5. Adjust settings and generate. Click the resolution duration bar. Choose 768p if you're just testing, or 1080p for a cleaner final. Set duration to around 6-10 seconds. Select the latest Hailuo video model, Hailuo 2.3, Hailuo 2.0, plus Hailuo Agent for better motion, micro expressions, and overall realism. Hit Create. Hailuo now animates that image into a video. Same face, same outfit, with smooth motion and camera moves. To build a sequence, repeat this with your other Nano Banana images and different motion prompts. Rooftop, street, close-ups, all with the same character. For character consistency, image to video from Nano Banana is the best combo. Step 1. Open Hailuo Agent. Click the Hailuo Agent tab at the top. This is Hailuo's media agent, one place that can orchestrate images, video, and audio from a chat. Step 2. Describe the whole mini project, not just one shot. In the chat box, give it a full creative goal. For example, create a cinematic short of a woman in a red silk dress on a rainy rooftop at night. First, generate a 4K character image with Nano Banana. Then animate her walking toward the edge of the rooftop using your best video model, with realistic rain and city lights. Add dramatic cinematic background music that fits the scene. Step 3. Let the agent run the pipeline. Hit Create. The agent will generate the character image. Use it as the start frame for video. Add background music to match the mood. If you don't like something, you just chat back. Make the camera move faster and add a close-up at the end. Generate 2 more variations with different camera angles. The point is, you're no longer juggling separate tools. You're directing a single media agent that understands image, video, and audio together. Quick note on cost, especially if you're generating a lot. Most high-quality AI video tools get expensive fast, or they split everything into separate payments. One plan for images, one for video, another for audio. Hailuo's Max plan is built as a one subscription is full studio option for heavy users. With the Max plan, you get unlimited access across Hailuo's top image and video models, 4K level image generation, and high-res video support under the same plan. A large monthly credit pool so you can iterate, experiment, and run full projects without worrying about every single render. If you're just trying things, the free credits are enough to follow this exact workflow. If you're running client work, ads, or series, the Max plan is what lets you scale this pipeline without your bill exploding. So here is the full process. 1. Go to hailuo.video and sign in. 2. Use Create Image with Nano Banana Pro to design your character and generate a few scenes. 3. Go to Create Video Image to Video. Use those images as start and optional end frames. Write motion prompts and generate cinematic clips with strong character consistency. 4. When you want to automate more, open Hailuo Agent. Describe the entire mini-film and let the media agent handle images, video, and audio in one flow. If you want to try this, the link to Hailuo AI is in the description. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe. I cover AI tools and workflows every week. Comment which part you're testing first: Nano Banana Images, Cinematic Video, or Hailuo Agent. Thanks for watching and happy creating!